everyone, welcome back. We're doing Ask the Alchemist. This is number 4, and we're going to take some of your questions.
At Stephanie K from Twitter asks, does the ambient temperature of the room matter when working with chocolate? If my room temperature is set to 72, is that too warm to do chocolate work?
Just a little bit warmer than I might like if I'm not using a refrigerator. There's enough of temperature gradient there. If you're, table tempering, the chocolate's gonna cool fine. If you're seating, same thing, it's gonna cool fine. And it's not so cold that your chocolates are cooling too fast while you're working with them. So 72, no, that's okay. 75 starts becoming your technique needs to be better, and you might need either a tempering machine to help assist you keeping your temperature right, or good insulated bowls of water water baths is what I'm talking about, which help immensely. And again, below that, you start getting under 65. That starts getting a little challenging. The chocolates start to cool really fast. And I want to thank you for not telling me what the relative humidity was. Too many people tell me the relative humidity of what they're working with, and 99% of the time, it doesn't matter. And again, we don't have a video on that, but I do have an Ask the Alchemist, and you can read all about humidity and dew point and how that affects your chocolate tempering.
Amy asks, how do I get started? What is an affordable roaster to use? Okay,
so as regards to a roaster, there's really only one really good option, and that's the Behmor 1600. Its profiles are good. The roaster itself runs $369, I believe is what it is. And day in, day out, it produces a good roast for cocoa. You don't really have to worry about it. So that's your quick pat answer. Most of the other coffee roasters out there, they're a much higher price point, and they usually don't hold as much in regards to cocoa, or they don't do it as well. The air roasters can't fluidize the cocoa okay, and some of the others tumble oddly, or just don't quite have the capacity. So we've got a video up also where I modified one of the Behmors, and you can put a thermocouple in through the roaster wall, and you can get actual profiles that way and control the power level. So the Behmor 1600, that's my top choice. All right, everybody. Hey, thanks for watching so much. Up in the link here, if you want to ask a question, please, again, click the link and it'll take you to our page where you can submit questions. I will try to answer them here. If you could also submit questions via Twitter with the hashtag #AskTheAlchemist. At all times, you can always email me directly if you just have a question you want to ask. It doesn't have to be for this, although we may take it and answer it on the air. And my email address is alchemist@chocolatealchemy.com. Really simple. Hopefully you've gotten something out of these videos, or at least stop to think. If you like the videos, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it if you would. And please keep the questions coming. I love answering these. That's it. Let's go make some chocolate.